SUAPP AIR. Consistent multi-angle rendering. In AI rendering, many designers run into this problem. How to keep building details consistent when rendering from different angles. Today I'll show you 3 ways to do exactly that. Method 1. Render directly from a detailed model. If your model is already well detailed, just set it to your desired angle. Then click Snapshot on the SUAPP AI homepage. Choose a style under Link CV2. Add some prompts for weather and atmosphere if you want. Then render with one click. Once this image is done, switch your model to another angle. Click Snapshot again. Keep the same style and prompts. And render once more. That way you get different angles, with perfectly consistent building details. Method 2. Switch the camera. Once you have a render you like and want more angles, go to the Style library and select the Smart Edit category. Under Camera Switch, choose Cam Motion. Then adjust the movement direction in the bottom left corner. Click Create, and your new angle render will be generated. Repeat this step to get as many angles as you want. Method 3. Use a reference image. If you already have a render you like and want another image with the same style, import your reference image. Set reference to image style. Click Create and you'll get a new angle with the same consistent details.